Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video, we'll start with exercise 4B from chapter Linear Inequations. So starting with question number 1. Represent the following inequalities on real number lines. There are 7 different inequalities given and we have to plot these on the number line. So first we need to solve the inequality. First step is solving the inequality. Second step, solution set. And third step, you'll plot it on the number line. Alright. So first inequality consider करते हैं 2x minus 1 is less than 5. So write down 2x minus 1 is less than 5. Solve करेंगे. Shifting minus 1 on the other side, 2x is less than 5 plus 1. So this gives 2x is less than 6. 2 को यहाँ पे shift करेंगे. So x is less than 6 by 2. That gives x is less than 3. First step हो गया, solve कर लिया. Now the solution set. So for solution set you need to know what is the replacement set. कौन से set से हम लोग values consider कर रहे हैं? Natural numbers, whole numbers, real numbers. So here it is given. Represent the following inequalities on real number lines. So x belongs to the set of real numbers. Okay, replacement set will be real numbers over here. So write down x belongs to R. Okay. So solution set क्या होगा? For real numbers we write it in set builder form. Set builder form में लिखते हैं. So x such that x belongs to R. ये part तो common है. Okay. For solution set of real numbers this part is common. Then comes the condition part. So condition will keep on changing. यहाँ पे condition है x is less than 3. So x is less than 3. Okay, very easy. Now we'll plot on the number line. So after this, below this, you'll draw the number line. I'm drawing it over here, okay, for convenience. So with the help of scale and pencil, properly draw करना है, accurate measurements, okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Check करो x is less than 3. Okay, so all the values less than 3 are possible. So 3 से less वाला values. So for real numbers it can be 2.9999 also, 2.87 also. So 3 के बाद immediate value भी आ सकता है. So we'll circle 3. We'll circle 3. You n circle जब वो value included नहीं होता है. Okay. You n circle like this जब वो value included नहीं होता है and if it is included you draw the circle and fill it completely. ठीक है. If it would be x is less than or equal to 3 then we would fill it like this. पूरा बड़ा dot कर देते. Okay. So here we won't do that because it is not equal to. It will be less than 3. 3 is not included over here. And after this with the help of scale overwrite कर दो. Okay. Draw the line 2-3 times. So darken कर दो line को. ठीक है. So this will be the number line. This is the plotting of the number line. Now moving on to the second part of the question. Second question, 3x plus 1 is greater than or equal to minus 5. So we'll solve this. First step is solving. So 3x is greater than or equal to minus 5 minus 1. So 3x is greater than or equal to minus 6. So x is greater than or equal to minus 6 by 3. So this gives x is greater than or equal to minus 2. First part हो गया, solution मिल गया, okay. Second part is solution set, okay. So solution set you need to write down. Again x belongs to the set of real numbers. So solution set will be in set builder form. So x belongs to R. So solution set, very easy. X such that x belongs to R and then the condition part. Condition है x is greater than or equal to minus 2. Okay. So now we'll plot on the number line. So minus 2 हो सकता है and minus 2 से greater भी हो सकता है. Okay. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, -3, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Draw properly with the help of pencil and scale. Students, please make sure that you draw this properly. Measurements accurate होना चाहिए. Okay, not necessary कि 0 और 1 centimeter ही होना चाहिए. You can take 2 centimeter also for your convenience. But अगर ये 2 centimeter लिया तो ये भी 2 centimeter, ये भी 2 centimeter and so on. I hope you are getting an idea कैसे करना है. Okay, but make sure that you draw it properly, accurately draw करना है. X can be -2 or greater than -2. More के लिए you always go towards right. Less के लिए towards left. So it can be more than -2 or equal to -2. So -2 is included over here. -2 हो सकता है. So you will fill the circle. Circle draw करो और fill कर दो. -2 के बाद all the values are possible. So with the help of scale 2-3 times इसको overwrite कर दो. Okay, properly, neatly. So this will be the plotting on the number line. Okay. Third inequality, we have 2 into 2x minus 3 is less than or equal to 6. First we'll solve. So 4x minus 2 3s are 6 is less than or equal to 6. 6 को यहाँ पे shift कर देंगे, so it will become plus 6. So 4x is less than or equal to 6 plus 6. So this gives 4x is less than or equal to 12. So x is less than or equal to 12 by 4. So this gives x is less than or equal to 3. First part हो गया. We solved the inequality. Second part, solution set. Again x belongs to the set of real numbers. सबके लिए real numbers ही है replacement set. So write down and x belongs to R. So solution set. For real numbers, we know set builder form. So x such that x belongs to R and condition part, that is x is less than or equal to 3. So below this you will draw the number line. Okay. X can be equal to 3 or less than 3. Less than के लिए always left side. ओके, सो 3 हो सकता है या 3 से कम वाला वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो ड्रॉ द नंबर लाइन अगेन प्रॉपरली विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेंसिल एंड स्केल. ओके, 0 1 2 3 4 -1 -2 -3 -4. x कैन बी 3 और लेस देन 3. ओके, लेस देन है. सो you will include 3, so fill the circle. Okay, and below 3 कुछ भी हो सकता है, less than 3. So less than means left hand side, go towards left and with the help of scale 2-3 बार पेंसिल से overwrite कर दो. Okay, so this is the plotting on the number line. All right, now moving on to the next question. Fourth inequality, -4 is less than x is less than 4. यहाँ पे we don't need to solve, it is already solved. x is greater than -4 but less than 4. Okay, रेंज दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे, 2 रेंज दिया हुआ है. सो स्टार्ट कहाँ से होगा, एंड कहाँ पे होगा, रेंज दिया हुआ है. ओके, फॉर फर्स्ट 3 इनइक्वालिटीज रेंज नहीं दिया था. ओके, कहीं से स्टार्ट हो रहा था फिर नेवर एंडिंग था. यहाँ पे यू आर गिवन द रेंज. ओके, इट इज विद इन -4 to 4. -4 से मोर है बट लेस देन 4. ओके, सो यू डोंट नीड टू सॉल्व ओवर हियर. नाउ x belongs to the set of real numbers. So write down x belongs to R. You can write on the same line itself. Okay, so solution set क्या होगा. Again very easy, x such that x belongs to R and condition part, that is -4 is less than x is less than 4. Now plotting on the number line, third part. So you will draw the number line. -4 से 4 है, so you have to include these numbers. 0 1 2 3 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, right, -5 also, so -5. x is greater than -4 but not equal to नहीं है, so -4 को हम लोग सर्कल करेंगे, ओके, बट यू विल नॉट फिल नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज इट इज नॉट इक्वल टू -4 एंड x इज लेस दैन 4, सो लेस दैन 4 है बट 4 इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड, इट इज नॉट इक्वल टू 4, सो 4 को भी सर्कल कर लेंगे. सो इट कैन हैव एनी वैल्यू बिटवीन -4 to 4, कोई भी वैल्यू हो सकता है. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल क्या करेंगे, पेंसिल से ओवरराइट कर दो लाइन को, ठीक है. Students, do it neatly. In exam the teacher should be able to understand, so always keep spare pencils, okay, 2-3 extra pencils rakho, keep sharpened pencils and make sure that you draw it properly, okay. It should be neat, it should be understandable. So this is the number line. Now moving on to the next inequality. Fifth inequality, -2 is less than or equal to x is less than 5. This is also solved. तो first step तो है नहीं यहाँ पे, it is already solved. We'll write down the solution set. Now x belongs to the set of real numbers, so we'll write the solution set in set builder form. So this and x belongs to R. So solution set क्या होगा, x such that x belongs to R and condition part. So that is -2 is less than or equal to x is less than 5. So x का रेंज क्या है यहाँ पे, -2 से 5 है, ओके, -2 से 5. So draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -1, -2, -3, -4, -2 से 5 है, ओके. सो -2 इज इट इंक्लूडेड, यस, बिकॉज x कैन बी इक्वल टू -2 ऑल्सो, इक्वल टू भी है यहाँ पे, इट इज ग्रेटर दैन -2 और इक्वल टू -2. सो -2 को सर्कल करके फिल कर दो एंड इट इज लेस दैन 5. सो 5 is not included over here, it is not equal to नहीं होगा, it is less than 5 only, so you will just encircle, okay. Now in between कोई भी वैल्यू हो सकता है, ये रेंज है, so with the help of scale क्या करेंगे, पेंसिल से लाइन को थोड़ा थिक कर दो, okay. So this is the answer. Sixth part, 8 is greater than or equal to x is greater than -3. So over here reverse is given, okay. Normally you are given like this, x रहता है, it is greater than something and less than something, okay. यहाँ पे you are given reverse, x is greater than -3 and less than or equal to 8. So reverse कर दिया है, so what we will do, we will reverse it, उल्टा कर देते हैं, ईजी फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. नॉर्मली ऐसे फॉर्म में रहता है, ओके, रेंज ऐसे रहता है, a इज लेस दैन x इज लेस दैन b, a एंड b आर सम वैल्यूज, नंबर्स रहते हैं. सो ऐसे फॉर्म में नॉर्मली एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, सो इसको भी वैसे ही एक्सप्रेस कर लेते हैं, ओके. यहाँ पे सॉल्व तो नहीं करना है, इट इज ऑलरेडी सॉल्व्ड. सो x एज इट इज ग्रेटर दैन -3, सो x इज ग्रेटर दैन -3 and less than or equal to 8. What I have done is just reverse कर दिया, उल्टा कर दिया, -3 को लेफ्ट में ले लिया, 8 को यहाँ पे ले लिया एंड -3 से ग्रेटर है, so x is greater than -3, it is opening towards x, okay. crocodile mouth है, so crocodile mouth is opening towards x and यहाँ पे it is towards 8, so ऐसे easy, okay. So ये है रेंज, -3 से 8 का रेंज है एंड x बिलोंग्स टू द सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर्स. सो राइट डाउन x बिलोंग्स टू द सेट ऑफ, यहाँ पे इम्प्लाई कर दो, ओके. सो सल्यूशन सेट अगेन वेरी इजी, कॉमन फॉर्मेट है x such that x belongs to R and -3 is less than 8 is less than or equal to 8. So now the number line, draw the number line. -3 से 8 है, so 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 -1 -2 -3 -4. Now students, I have drawn like this. In your textbook what they did was 8 तक है, so drawing that number line in your notebook is little difficult. Okay, थोड़ा tough हो जाता है because बहुत बड़ा number line होगा. So what you can do is 0 और 1 directly 1 2 3 4 ऐसे करने की जगह what you can do is 0 then 2 then 4 then 6 then 8. Okay, so easy हो जाएगा. All right, and यहाँ पे -1 -2 यहाँ पे as it is रखो because लेफ्ट में जो नेगेटिव में रेंज है दैट इज स्मॉलर बट पॉजिटिव में नंबर इज बिग, सो दैट इज वाई दे ड्रू लाइक दिस इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक. यू कैन चेक द सोल्यूशन बिहाइंड, दे हैव ड्रॉन लाइक दिस. सो आई वुड नॉट प्रिफर ड्रॉइंग लाइक दिस. मैं सजेस्ट करूँगी ऐसे ही ड्रॉ करो. ओके, सो ओवर हियर -3 से 8 का रेंज है, सो -3 इज इट इंक्लूडेड? नो, इक्वल टू है नहीं, सो नॉट इंक्लूडेड. सो -3 को n सर्कल कर देंगे, सर्कल कर देंगे. एंड 8 का रेंज है, सो इट इज इक्वल टू 8. सो 8 को सर्कल करके फिल कर दो एंड देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल क्या करेंगे, लाइन को पेंसिल से थिक कर दो, 2-3 टाइम्स ओवरराइट कर दो. ओके, सो दिस इज द आंसर. लास्ट इनइक्वालिटी, -5 इज लेस दैन x इज लेस दैन और इक्वल टू -1. So यहाँ पे भी solved है. Now we need to write down the solution set. So before that we'll write down x belongs to the set of real numbers. So solution set क्या होगा, x such that x belongs to R and -5 is less than x is less than or equal to -1. So number line draw करेंगे. चेक द रेंज, -5 से -1 का रेंज है, -5 to -1. ओके, नो पॉजिटिव नंबर. सो पॉजिटिव नंबर्स लेस लिखो, इंक्लूड नेगेटिव नंबर्स मोर. ओके, बिकॉज -5 से -1 है, सो 0 1 2 3 इट्स ओके, यहाँ तक ही लिखो. -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 एंड -6. x is greater than -5. Is -5 included? No, because equal to नहीं है यहाँ पे. So circle कर देंगे. Okay, only circle it. And -1 तक का रेंज है, so -1 is included because it is less than or equal to -1. So -1 को circle करके fill कर दो. So this is the range of values. in between कुछ भी हो सकता है. So with the help of scale overwrite. ठीक है, so this is the plotting on the number line. Let's read the next question. Question number 2. For each graph given alongside, write an inequation taking x as the variable. So here it is reverse, उल्टा हो रहा है. You are given the number range on the number line and you have to write the inequation. Okay. So ये बहुत easy है, it is even easier. So first part over here, -1 से it is going on. Okay, -1 से less है, left hand side पे है, so it is less than -1. Okay, less than -1. Is it equal to -1? Yes, because ये circle is a dark dot, filled है पूरा, so -1 is included over here. So x, okay, we'll take x as the variable over here. So x is less than 1 because 1 से सारा less वाला values possible है, so it is less than 1. And since it is dotted over here, filled है पूरा, so it can be equal to also. So x is less than or equal to 1. This will be the इन इक्वेशन होगा here. Okay, not equation, sorry, in equation होगा यहाँ पे. Okay, this will be the in equation. And what is the condition? X belongs to the set of real numbers. So this in equation and x belongs to R. You have to write this. Okay. Solution set नहीं लिखना है. They have not mentioned over here. Okay. So only this you have to write down. Now moving on to the next part. 2 and more than 2 right hand side पे जा रहा है. Okay. So x will be more than 2. Okay. So x is greater than 2. Is it equal to 2 also? Yes. Because ये circle पूरा filled है. Okay. पूरा thick dot है. So it can be equal to 2 also. So it can be equal to 2 or greater than that. Right hand side means greater. Left hand side means lesser. Okay. So it is greater than or equal to 2 and it is real numbers. Okay. Because continuous है. दोनों में continuous. सब में in fact continuous है. So x belongs to the set of real numbers. अगर individual values circle किया है like this, सब dot किया हुआ है individually, then it is not real numbers का set. Okay. So if it is dotted separately like this, then it is not. Okay. But यहाँ पे पूरा line ही ऐसे किया हुआ है, so it means it can be 2 or any value greater than 2. So it belongs to the set of real numbers. Okay. सब में रियल नंबर्स ही है. सो दैट इज द कॉमन कंडीशन ओवर हियर. नेक्स्ट वन, -4 to 3. ओके, -4 to 3 ये रेंज है x का. सो इट कैन बी x विल बी ग्रेटर देन -4 बट लेस देन 3. ये एक हो जाएगा. ओके, इट विल बी ग्रेटर देन -4 बट लेस देन 3. -4 से 3 का रेंज है. Now check if -4 and 3 are included. Okay, so -4 is included because ये thick dot है यहाँ पे. Okay, so -4 is included. 3 it is not included because ये circle किया हुआ है, n circle किया है, so it is not included. So equal to sign यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा. Okay, very easy. All right. So x is greater than or equal to -4 but less than 3 and x belongs to R. Okay. नाउ कमिंग टू द लास्ट पार्ट. अगेन एक रेंज दिया है, स्टार्टिंग एंड एंडिंग दिया है, -1 to 5. ओके, सो राइट डाउन x इज ग्रेटर देन -1 बट लेस देन 5. ओके, जो लेस नंबर होता है ऑलवेज यू विल राइट ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड मोर नंबर ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. फॉर सच कंडीशंस ऑलवेज लेस नंबर ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड मोर नंबर, ग्रेटर नंबर ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. ओके, सो -1 से 5 का रेंज है. इज -1 इंक्लूडेड? नो, n सर्कल्ड है. ओके, इट इज नॉट फिल्ड, सो -1 से इक्वल नहीं होगा. 5 इज इट इंक्लूडेड? येस, बिकॉज ये सर्कल पूरा फिल्ड है, सो इट कैन बी इक्वल टू 5 एंड x बिलोंग्स टू R. Okay, so it was very easy. So after drawing the number line, just write this, okay, on the next line. Coming to next question, question number 3. For the following inequations, graph the solution set on the real number line. So again, x belongs to the set of real numbers. Okay, they have given over a real number line. So x belongs to the set of real numbers. Two different parts here. So first we'll solve the first part. Now, first inequality है -4 is less than or equal to 3x minus 1 which is less than 8. How will we solve this inequality? दो signs है. So what you're going to do? First we'll consider first part. Okay, ये वाला part से जाने दो, ये वाला part consider करेंगे and then ये inequality जाने दो यहाँ से यहाँ तक. Okay, so first you'll consider this part and then you'll consider this part. All right. So over here this implies -4 is less than or equal to 3x minus 1 and 3x minus 1 is less than 8. ये दोनों separately solve करेंगे. Okay, so we'll shift -1 over here. So +1 हो जाएगा, 1 - 4 इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 3x एंड 3x इज लेस देन 8 + 1. So -3 is less than or equal to 3x and 3x is less than 9. So shifting 3 on the other side, -3/3 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 9/3. So -1 is less than or equal to x and x is less than 3. So x is greater than or equal to -1, okay, and less than 3. दोनों कंडीशन को we'll combine both the conditions. So x is less than 3 but greater than or equal to -1. Okay, we combined both the conditions. So we got the range, पूरा range मिल गया, -1 से 3 का range है. Okay, and we know that x belongs to the set of real numbers. So write down. Okay, now we'll write down the solution set. So x such that x belongs to R and then the condition. So condition will be -1 is less than or equal to x is less than 3. Students, I wrote this on next line. You have to write it in a straight line. Okay, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. So whenever you're writing down in your notebook or answer sheet in exam, always straight line में लिखो पूरा solution set. Okay, so this will be the solution set. Now we'll plot on the number line. So number line draw करेंगे. Draw a neat number line. Okay, 0 -1 से 3 का रेंज है. So 0 1 2 3 4 -1 -2 -3. So check the range once. Okay, you should not miss out any number. All right, कभी कभी 7 8 तक रेंज आता है. So make sure that you draw the number line properly and plot the numbers properly. -1 से 3 का रेंज है. So -1 से 3. Now is -1 included? Yes, because -1 से equal भी हो सकता है. x is greater than -1 और equal to -1. So -1 को fill कर दो. Is 3 included? No, equal to नहीं है नीचे में, so it will not be included. So let it remain like this. All the numbers in between are possible. So with the help of scale पूरा 2-3 times overwrite कर दो. Okay. So make sure it is neat, students, not like this. Okay, एकदम properly draw करना है, neatly draw करना है. All right. So this will be the plotting on the number line. Now coming to the next part of the question. Coming to the second part, x - 1 is less than 3 - x is less than or equal to 5. So we'll break this into 2 parts. पहले ये inequality से नहीं consider करेंगे till here, and then ये inequality से break करके ये वाला part. Okay. So first we'll consider this part and then we'll consider this part. So this implies x - 1 is less than 3 - x and 3 - x is less than or equal to 5. Okay. x we'll group together, so we'll shift this x over here, x plus x हो जाएगा and shifting 1 over here +1 हो जाएगा. Here we'll shift the number. So 5 - 3. This will be 2x is less than 4 and यहाँ पे -x is less than or equal to 5 - 3 हो जाएगा 2. So x is less than 4/2 and over here we are getting -x is less than or equal to 2. So what we'll do, -x को हम लोग प्लस कर देंगे. Okay. We need to find x का value, not -x का value. So we'll change the sign. When you change the sign on one side, you have to change it on the other side also. Compulsory, simultaneous process है. So ये plus x हो गया तो +2 will become -2. And when you change the signs, inequality sign reverses. Okay. So be very, very careful. Okay. What some of you might do is x is less than or equal to -2 ऐसे कर देंगे. This is wrong because when you change the signs, over here inequality sign reverse हो जाएगा. Okay, so ये wrong है. So this implies x is less than 2 and x is greater than or equal to -2. So combine both the conditions. We'll combine it. So x is greater than or equal to -2. How do we write normally? ऐसे लिखते हैं. Okay. So x is less than 2. Okay. But greater than or equal to -2. So greater than or equal to -2. Alright, combine कर दिया दोनों conditions को. And x belongs to the set of real numbers. So write down and x belongs to R. Now solution set. So solution set, very easy. X such that x belongs to R and condition part. -2 is less than or equal to x is less than 2. Okay. Now we'll draw the number line. So -2 से 2 का रेंज है. ओके. सो 0 1 2 3 4 -1 -2 -3. -2 से 2 है. सो सर्कल दिस फर्स्ट एंड इन बिटवीन नंबर्स आएंगे. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल एंड पेंसिल ये लाइन को ओवरराइट कर दो. इज -2 इंक्लूडेड? येस, बिकॉज देर इज इक्वल टू साइन बिलो. इक्वल टू साइन लिखा है. सो -2 को पूरा फिल कर दो. -2 इज इंक्लूडेड. इज 2 इंक्लूडेड? नो. सो लेट दिस रिमेन एज इट इज. ओके. सो दिस विल बी द प्लॉटिंग ऑन द नंबर लाइन. Coming to next question, question number 4. Represent the solution of each of the following inequalities on the real number line. So we have to plot the inequalities on the number line. पहले solve करना पड़ेगा. First part is solving, second part is solution set, and third part is number line. Okay. So we'll solve the inequalities first. There are 6 different inequalities given. So first वाला consider करते हैं. 4x minus 1 is greater than x plus 11. We'll solve this. X we'll shift over here, that is grouping x together and number together. So 1 को यहाँ पे shift कर दिया. So 3x is greater than 12. That is x is greater than 12 upon 3. है ना? So this gives 4. So x is greater than 4. We solved first part हो गया. Now x belongs to the set of real numbers. यहाँ पे replacement set is the set of real numbers. So read the question carefully. Represent the solution of each of the following inequalities on real number line. Real number बोला है. Okay. So write down and x belongs to R. So solution set. For real numbers, solution set is in set builder form. So format is common. X such that x belongs to R and फिर condition वाला part. So over here condition is x is greater than 4. 4 से ज़्यादा वाला number. Okay, it is not equal to 4 but greater than 4. So any value greater than 4 होगा. 0 1 2 3 4 5 -1 -2 -3. So greater than 4. So will you include 4 over here? No, because it is not given greater than or equal to. It is only greater than. So 4 include नहीं होगा. So just encircle and with the help of scale and pencil 2-3 times overwrite कर दो. Okay. It is better that you add 2-3 more numbers. Okay. So add one more number. Next inequality, 7 minus x is less than or equal to 2 minus 6x. So 6x को यहाँ पे shift कर देते, it will become plus 6x minus x as it is and 2 as it is. 7 shift करेंगे so minus 7 हो जाएगा. Okay. This will give 5x is less than or equal to 2 minus 7 gives minus 5. So x is less than or equal to minus 5 upon 5. So this gives x is less than or equal to minus 1. So first part ho gaya, we solved. Now the solution set. So before that, x belongs to the set of real numbers. So solution set builder form में लिखेंगे x such that x belongs to R, and condition part, x is less than or equal to minus 1. So x can be equal to minus 1 or less than minus 1. Okay, less than is always left hand side, more than is always right hand side. So 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So it will be minus 1. So पूरा fill कर दो circle करके, और less than minus 1. Less than is left hand side. Okay. So with the help of pencil and scale overwrite कर दो थोड़ा सा. Okay, neatly. It should be neat. Now moving on to the next part. Third inequality is x plus 3 is less than or equal to 2x plus 9. So x will shift over here, grouping x together. X minus 2x हो जाएगा and 9 as it is, 3 on the other side. So variables on one side, number on the other side. ये हो जाएगा minus x is less than or equal to 9 minus 3 gives 6. We are getting minus x is less than or equal to 6. We need x, not minus x. So क्या करेंगे? You will change the sign. Okay. So minus x को plus x करेंगे. Now when you change the sign on one side, you have to change the sign on the other side. तो ये minus 6 हो जाएगा. Simultaneous process है. दोनों जगह पे साथ में signs change करना है. And when you change the signs, what happens to this? ये reverse हो जाएगा. Less than or equal to था, greater than or equal to. Okay. So first part हो गया, we solved. Now the solution set. But before that, x belongs to R. So solution set will be x such that x belongs to R and x is greater than or equal to minus 6. Number line. So draw the number line. X will be greater than or equal to minus 6. So you have to include minus 6 also. Negative में you have to write more numbers. So positive we'll consider less. Okay, positive वाला part ज़्यादा important नहीं है यहाँ पे. Negative से start हो रहा है, minus 6 से start हो रहा है. So minus 6 include करना पड़ेगा. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 6. So up to minus 7 please write down. And यहाँ पे less लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6 and minus 7. It will be equal to minus 6 or greater than minus 6. Greater means more, so more is always right hand side. Okay. So minus 6 होगा. So you will fill the circle करके, because it is equal to minus 6 also, or more than that. So take a scale and with the help of scale overwrite करो थोड़ा. Okay. So it can have any value above minus 6. Okay. So this is the answer. Now moving on to the next inequality. Fourth inequality, 2 minus 3x is greater than 7 minus 5x. So x together. So x को यहाँ पे shift कर देते हैं. Normally we always keep x in LHS, left hand side पे. So 5x हो जाएगा and minus 3x as it is. 7 as it is and shifting 2 over here. So variables on one side, numbers on the other side. 5x minus 3x, 2x हो जाएगा. 7 minus 2 is 5. So यहाँ पे fraction मिल रहा है 5 by 2. What is 5 by 2? 2.5 है ना. So x is greater than 2.5. And x belongs to the set of real numbers. So solution set x such that x belongs to R and condition part, x is greater than 2.5. Now we have to plot on the number line. So x is greater than 2.5. So equal to 2.5 नहीं है, but greater than 2.5. But we have a decimal over here. Okay, 2.5 है. So how will you draw on the number line? So first thing, draw the number line. Normally जैसे draw करते हैं 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3. Greater than 2.5 है. Now where is 2.5? 2.5 is in between 2 and 3. Midpoint है of 2 and 3. Okay, so midpoint consider करेंगे. Okay, and it will be greater than 2.5. Okay, greater than है. So greater than is always right hand side. More is always right hand side. Less is left hand side. So right hand side वाला values होगा. So circle this, encircle this, and यहाँ से draw a thick line. Okay, so 2.5 will be in between 2 and 3. So take the midpoint of 2 and 3 and circle कर दो. You will not fill it because 2.5 equal to नहीं बोला. अगर equal to होता then you would fill it. Okay, but it is not given, so you will not fill it, and greater than that. Okay, so easy part. ठीक है, easy है. Now coming to the next inequality, fifth inequality. Fifth inequality is 1 plus x is greater than or equal to 5x minus 11. We'll shift 5x over here. Okay, so x minus 5x is greater than or equal to minus 11 minus 1 हो जाएगा. Okay, signs will change when you shift the terms. So ये हो जाएगा minus 4x is greater than or equal to minus 12. Okay, now you'll shift 4, but before that x is negative, so first make it positive. Okay, before shifting 4, any number that is associated with x, कोई भी कोएफिशिएंट होगा x का, वो शिफ्ट करने से पहले चेक, इज इट नेगेटिव? yes. If it is negative then change the sign first. Okay, positive है तो no problem, but if it is negative then change it first. So इसको पॉजिटिव कर देंगे. यू आर चेंजिंग द साइन. इफ यू आर चेंजिंग ऑन वन साइड यू हैव टू चेंज ऑन द अदर साइड. साइमल्टेनियस प्रोसेस. एंड व्हेन यू चेंज द साइंस रिवर्स हो जाएगा, उल्टा हो जाएगा. ओके, नाउ शिफ्ट 4 लेस देन और इक्वल टू 12/4. सो लेस देन और इक्वल टू 3. ओके, एंड x बिलोंग्स टू R. So solution set. By now you must have got an idea solution set कैसे लिखना है. बहुत easy है real numbers का. In fact x such that x belongs to R and condition is x is less than or equal to 3. Okay, number line, x will be equal to 3 or less than 3. Less than is always left hand side. So 3 या 3 से कम वाला वैल्यू होगा. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3 इक्वल होना चाहिए. एक्यूरेटली ड्रॉ करो. ड्रॉ विथ प्रॉपर पेंसिल एंड स्केल. ओके, इट शुड बी नीट. 3 और लेस देन 3. सो 3. Will you circle this? Yes, पूरा fill कर देंगे because it is equal to 3 also. So fill it or less than. So less than is left hand side. So with the help of scale and pencil, ये overwrite कर दो. Okay? It should not look like this. बहुत neat होना चाहिए students. Okay? So moving on to the last part of the question. Sixth part. 2x plus 5 upon 3 is greater than 3x minus 3. 3 को यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करते हैं. ओके, सो 2x plus 5 is greater than 3 into 3x minus 3. Put brackets because you are multiplying 3 with all the terms over here. जितने भी terms है सबसे multiply होगा. So 2x plus 5 is greater than 3 3s are 9x minus 3 3s are 9. x we'll group together, number together. So 2x minus 9x is greater than minus 9 minus 5. So minus 7x is greater than minus 9 minus 5 हो जाएगा minus 14. So over here again, before shifting 7, before doing anything, इसको पॉजिटिव कर देते हैं, x नेगेटिव है पॉजिटिव कर देते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज वॉट माइट हैपन इज सम ऑफ यू माइट शिफ्ट -7 ओनली ऑन द अदर साइड. अगर -x एज इट इज रखा है एंड सिर्फ 7 को शिफ्ट किया है देन इट्स ओके. बट इफ यू आर शिफ्टिंग एंटायर -7 ऑन द अदर साइड, इट विल गो रॉन्ग, पूरा रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज द रीजन आई एम टेलिंग यू, अगर नेगेटिव है कोएफिशिएंट पहले उसको पॉजिटिव करो. ओके, and then do anything else. So we'll change the sign. यहाँ पे भी sign change हो जाएगा. It will again, this will also become positive. And when you change the signs, this reverses. Okay. So x is less than 14/7. That is x is less than 2. Okay. So we got this and x belongs to R. So solution set क्या होगा? X such that x belongs to R and condition is x is less than 2. Again this entire solution set should be in one line. Okay, ऐसे नहीं लिखना है, one line में लिखना है students. Okay, now plotting on the number line. X is less than 2. 2 को इंक्लूड करना ही नहीं है. ओके, सो विल जस्ट सर्कल इट. सो 0 1 2 3 4 -1 -2. सो लेस दैन 2 है. लेस दैन इज ऑलवेज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, मोर दैन इज राइट हैंड साइड. सो लेस दैन 2 है. सो 2 को सर्कल कर दो एंड आफ्टर दैट एनी वैल्यू इज पॉसिबल. ठीक है. So this will be the diagram for the number line. All right, starting with question number 5. X belongs to the set of real numbers and -1 is less than 3 - 2x, which is less than or equal to 7. Evaluate x and represent it on a number line. So first thing that we have to do is solve the inequation. First step वो होगा. Second step solution set and after that number line. Okay, so first inequation, then solution set and then it will be number line. So first inequation consider करते हैं. So -1 is less than 3 - 2x, which is less than or equal to 7. Whenever you have two inequality signs, what you're going to do, पहले फर्स्ट वाला कंसिडर करो. ओके, सेकेंड इनइक्वालिटी से नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ से यहाँ कंसिडर करेंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट दिस एंड दिस. सो 2 पार्ट्स में ब्रेक करेंगे, फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड देन द सेकेंड पार्ट. ओके, सो दिस इम्प्लाइज -1 is less than 3 - 2x and 3 - 2x is less than or equal to 7. Okay, so we'll shift the number over here. x को as it is रखते हैं, नंबर को शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. So -1 - 3 is less than -2x and over here we'll shift the number. So -2x is less than or equal to 7 - 3. So -4 is less than -2x and -2x is less than or equal to 4. Now check, x का coefficient is negative. So if it is negative, first thing you will do is make it positive. Okay, सबसे पहले positive कर दो उसको. So 2x हो जाएगा. Okay, when you change the sign on one side, you have to change the sign on the other side. So if this is negative, this becomes positive. And when you change the signs, inequality sign क्या हो जाएगा? Reverse. Okay. Same thing over here. Sign will change, and when you change the signs, this reverses. Okay. So we get x is less than or equal to 4/2. And over here, x is greater than or equal to -4/2. So this gives 2 is greater than x and here x is greater than or equal to -2. So we'll combine the two again. Range find out करेंगे, x का range क्या है. Okay, starting value, ending value. So what is the range? वी नॉर्मली राइट इट लाइक दिस. ओके, किससे ग्रेटर है, किससे लेसर है. सो इट इज ग्रेटर दैन, यहाँ पे तो नहीं है, ग्रेटर इज यहाँ पे. So x is greater than or equal to -2. So it is greater than or equal to, don't forget this part, it is equal to भी है -2 and less than 2. Simple, easy. Okay. So it is greater than or equal to -2 and less than 2. This is the equation is solved. Okay. Now solution set. So before that, x belongs to the set of real numbers. So write down x belongs to R. After this we'll write down the solution set and draw the number line. So solution set for x क्या होगा? x belongs to the set of real numbers, so you'll write it in set builder form. Set builder form में लिखेंगे. So x such that x belongs to R and condition -2 is less than or equal to x is less than 2. ये कंडीशन हो गया. ठीक है. सो वी गॉट द सोल्यूशन सेट. नाउ प्लॉटिंग ऑन द नंबर लाइन. सो व्हाट इज द रेंज? -2 से 2 का रेंज है. ओके, सो ड्रॉ द नंबर लाइन अकॉर्डिंगली. 0 1 2 3 4 -1 -2 -3 -4. -2 से 2 का रेंज है. सो सर्कल बोथ -2 से 2. ओके, इन बिटवीन का कुछ भी वैल्यू हो सकता है, रियल नंबर्स है, एनी वैल्यू इज पॉसिबल. ओके, 1.999999 भी पॉसिबल है, -1.99999 भी पॉसिबल है, एनी वैल्यू इज पॉसिबल. ओके, सो यहाँ से यहाँ का रेंज है. नाउ इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, x कैन बी इक्वल टू -2 ऑल्सो. इट इज गिवन, इट इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू. सो -2 को फिल कर दो, फिल द सर्कल, because -2 is possible. Is 2 possible? No, it is less than 2. So let this remain as it is. ये वाला जो यहाँ पे सर्कल है उसको फिल कर दो, because it can be equal to -2. Okay, so this is the range. Okay, let's read the next question. Question number 6. List the elements of the solution set of the inequation -3 less than x minus 2, which is less than or equal to 9 minus 2x, where x belongs to the set of natural numbers. So over here we have to just find out the solution set. Solution set क्या होगा? We need to find out. So elements of solution set means solution set में कौन से numbers आएंगे, कौन से values आएंगे, that is what we have to find out. So for that first we need to solve the inequation. Okay, once you get the inequation, then you will find the solution set according to the replacement set. So replacement set यहाँ पे क्या है? Natural numbers. So natural numbers में जो भी values है उसी में से choose करना है. Okay, so we don't need to draw the number line over here, but how will you plot on the number line, that also I'm going to show in case they ask. Okay, so starting with the inequation, -3 is less than x minus 2, which is less than or equal to 9 minus 2x. So over here दो inequality signs है. So what you're going to do, you will break it into two parts, first part and then second part. Okay, so -3 is less than x minus 2, ये एक part हो गया. Okay, then the second inequality वाला part. So x minus 2 is less than or equal to 9 minus 2x. Okay, we'll solve these two. So -3 as it is, 2 को shift करते हैं, less than x. Here we'll group variables together and numbers together. So 2x को यहाँ पे shift कर देते हैं. x plus 2x is less than or equal to 9 plus 2. So this implies -1 is less than x and your 3x is less than or equal to 11. So -1 is less than x and यहाँ पे x is less than or equal to 11 by 3. We are getting a fraction, and if you solve this and try to find decimal value, you are not getting a proper value. You will get 3.666. 6 is going to recur. Okay, so what you will do, instead express this in mixed fraction form. Mixed fraction के form में लिख लो इसको. This is proper fraction. Express it in mixed fraction form. So same thing you will write over here, and यहाँ पे x will be less than or equal to. How will you find out mixed fraction? For those who don't know, I'm showing the method, and those who know, you can fast forward the video. Okay, so 11 is divided by 3, 3 3s are 9 हो जाएगा, and 2 is the remainder. So what you will do, denominator as it is रखो, 3 will remain as it is. So 3 is the divisor over here जो denominator में है, 3 into 3 plus 2 है ना. So 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 gives 11, 11 by 3. Okay, so ये 3 यहाँ पे आएगा, सॉरी ये 3 यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा, and this 3 comes over here. Alright, the quotient comes over here and remainder in the numerator, and divisor is the denominator. Okay, so this implies minus 1 is less than x, which is less than or equal to 3 2 by 3. ओके, सो कंबाइन कर दिया दोनों सोल्यूशंस को. ओके, वन सोल्यूशन इज दिस, अदर इज दिस. सो रेंज फाइंड आउट करना है, x का रेंज क्या होगा. इट इज ग्रेटर देन -1 बट लेस देन और इक्वल टू 3 2 by 3. सो कंबाइन बोथ द सोल्यूशंस. नाउ सोल्यूशन सेट फाइंड आउट करना है. फॉर दैट वी नो दैट x बिलोंग्स टू द सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर्स. सो यू हैव टू चूज द वैल्यू फ्रॉम नेचुरल नंबर्स का सेट. So natural numbers का set क्या होता है? We know that it's very easy. Numbers starting from 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on till infinite. 1 2 3 4 5. So solution set क्या होगा? What all values will be there in the solution set for x? -1 से लेके 3 2 by 3 है. ओके, सो 3 point something something we are getting. ओके, सो 3.66 to be precise. सो -1 नेगेटिव नंबर्स विल इट बी इंक्लूडेड? यहाँ पे तो नेगेटिव है ही नहीं, सो यू विल नॉट राइट डाउन नेगेटिव नंबर्स. 0 नहीं आएगा. इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1 ओनली. 1 2 3 1 2 3 विल इंक्लूड. 3 2 by 3 तक अलाउड है. इट इज इक्वल टू 3 2 by 3 मैक्सिमम. So 3 2 by 3 lies between 3 and 4. 3 2 by 3 lies between 3 and 4. So यहाँ तक allowed है. Okay. So 1 2 3 will come and 4 से कोई भी values नहीं आएगा. Okay. So 1 2 and 3 you will put in the solution set, but 4 से कोई भी values नहीं आएगा. Now you will say why not include 3 2 by 3? 3 2 by 3 is a decimal. It's a fraction. So you are not going to include fraction over here because natural numbers में fraction है ही नहीं. Real numbers में होता है लेकिन natural numbers में नहीं है, set में नहीं है. So ये value नहीं आएगा. Okay, maximum value 3 ही हो सकता है. So 1 2 and 3 is these are the elements of the solution set. Now if you have to plot on the number line, how will you plot? So draw the number line. 0 1 2 3 4 -1 -2 and so on. 1 2 and 3 है. So discrete numbers है. So 1 circle and fill it, 2 circle and fill it, 3 circle and fill it. That's it. This will be the plotting on the number line. यहाँ पे continuous values नहीं है. Okay, like real numbers you had continuous values. Okay, so 1 and 2 के in between वाला values तो कुछ भी नहीं आएगा. 2 and 3 के between का भी कुछ नहीं आएगा. So only 1 2 and 3 are going to circle. Only those elements जो है solution set में, only those you are going to consider. Okay, so in case they ask for the number line, this is how you are going to draw.